Here we have a Mazda MX-6. The customer's been having a few issues for a while where it would randomly not start and cut out on him while he's been driving. The vehicle's finally completely stopped and we need to carry out some investigations on what we need to do to find out why it's no longer running. Check all power supplies, fuses, fusible links, the battery, then check whether it is missing spark, fuel injection or a fuel pump issue. And then usually one of those areas there will point us in the right direction of where we need to investigate. If you have a vehicle that won't start or run, you can find our branches at autospark.com.au.